Yo, what's good everybody? Welcome back to a new video today. If you don't know who I am, my name is Kevin Pak and I'm a multiple six-figure Amazon seller. But today we're not going to be talking about Amazon. We're actually going to talk about what a lot of people want to accomplish in their lifetime, and it's how to make your first six figures. I'm incredibly blessed to be 24 years old and making well over six figures and living very comfortably. And on this channel, it's not just about, Amazon and the Amazon business. I'm much more well diverse with that. I'm an entrepreneur and I want this channel to be about helping people become their own boss and become more financially literate. And that's the whole goal of this channel and how I want to help people as well, because that's what I wish that I grew up with and I had more resources like this. So that's the whole purpose of this channel. This is why I'm here, helping y'all out. So make sure you guys are liking this video for the YouTube gods out there and subscribing for more content, because this is going to help reach out a bunch of people who are just like us, who are looking to make some money and create financial stability and freedom in our lives and really secure ourselves. Now, of course, I am going to show you guys my numbers and how my business does right now, so you guys know that I'm an actual Amazon seller and I actually make well over six figures. So let's refresh my business account right there, and boom, that's how much I've done so far and for this month so far. And then if we look at the last 12 months, my business has done a little over $400,000 in the last 12 months. And that is revenue, and with roughly about 32% profit margin. So that equates to somewhere around almost $130,000 net profit. And the cool thing is I make that pretty passively. An Amazon business doesn't really take that much long to actually maintain. I spend maybe just a few hours a week maintaining this business. And it's the growing part that really takes up a lot of time, really. Now, a little bit about myself. I'm a first generation American. My parents were born in Cambodia. They came here with basically nothing to their name, not a penny, not a dollar or anything like that. But I was able to really come out of that despite having that poor immigrant lifestyle as well. So I don't come from money at all, but my family and myself have worked really hard to build our way up to this point. And so I want you guys to realize that that is a possibility no matter what your situation is. So one of the first things you guys have to realize and understand is that you can make six figures, and it actually is realistic and achievable. From there, you want to figure out what direction you want to go through. Do you want to have a job that pays six figures and you get a degree, or even don't get a degree, but you want to work for something or someone that will pay you well over six figures? Or do you want to start your own business and be your own boss and make your own six figures? There's no right or wrong answer here. It depends on you and what your preference is, but there are plenty of jobs out there with or without a degree that can make you six figures. So you just got to figure out what is the path you want to take. Profession or business. So if you want a job that makes six figures that requires a degree, because probably a lot of you guys are around my age and in school or about to finish school or whatever. So here's some options and examples. Software engineers can make anywhere between $70,000 to $200,000 per year. A certified public accountant, or also known as CPA, can make $70,000 to $125,000 per year. A general nurse practitioner can make $70,000 to $110,000 per year. And then electrical power engineers can make anywhere between $60,000 and $100,000 per year. So those are four examples of jobs with degrees that you guys can get into. Then there are jobs that you can get that do not require a degree, but you can make up to six figures or more. Real estate brokers can make anywhere from $22,000 to $163,000 per year. Construction managers can make anywhere between $60,000 and $100,000 per year. A radiation therapist can make anywhere between $70,000 and $124,000 per year. And even plumbers can make anywhere between $44,000 to $100,000 per year. So if you're somebody who doesn't want to do a business and just wants to work for somebody and make well over six figures, there are so many opportunities and jobs out there you guys have to look for and really hone your skill at. Now, if you want to go into the route of business like I did, you can either do two different things. You can either do a service-based business like consultation or training or something like that, working with clients, or you can do a product-based business where you're selling products like cups or something like that. So I've done both. I've done the service part and I've done the product-based part. I used to be a personal trainer, so that was a service-based business. And now I have a business that sells private label products on Amazon, and that's a product-based company. Now, what we want to do is break down what $100,000 means per year. Breaking that down only means you need to make $8,400 per month, and I'm rounding up here. And in 12 months, that will equate to a little over $100,000 per year. If you're gonna go with a service-based business like consulting or training with clients, then all you need to do is charge $100 per hour per session, and you only need 84 sessions per month. And this equates to about 3 sessions per day. And if you could do something like a package of 4 sessions per one client, then you only need 21 clients per month in order to hit that $8,400 per month. Now, if you're selling a product and let's say each product profits you $20, we're talking about profit, not revenue, but each product profits you $20, then all you need to do is sell 420 units per month or 14 units per day. And if you start off with just one product that sells 7 units a day, and then you scale up to a second product that also sells 7 units per day, boom, you're already there. And then you can scale and repeat that process. Launch another product, and over and over and over, you'll have a multitude of products selling, anywhere between 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 a day, but in total it equates to $8,400 per month. Selling 14 units a day or getting 3 client sessions per day is really not all that much, especially if you're using Amazon or Facebook ads or Google ads or word of mouth or anything like that. If you're great at what you do, if you become great at what you do, that doesn't really become hard. So to wrap this up, guys, whatever direction you choose to take, make sure you break down this goal. If you want to make $100,000, you need to break this down and see what you need to do daily, weekly, and monthly to accomplish these goals. It all starts with understanding what is possible, picking your path, and then breaking it down. Because $100,000 does seem intimidating, but when you break it down on a monthly, weekly, and daily basis, you can start taking action that will get you closer to those daily, weekly, monthly goals. That's essentially what I did and what I needed to do, and so it helped me push further and further because I knew clearly what the vision was and what I needed to do to step forward. So I hope this was helpful, and I hope this motivates you guys to actually get this thing going and get started and really break down your goals and take realistic action about this kind of stuff. So I want to thank you guys so much for watching. As always, go make that money, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.